Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of oral care with the Philips Sonicare 4100 electric toothbrush, designed for adults seeking a healthier smile and whiter teeth. This sleek toothbrush comes with a Philips W2 optimal white brush head, a slim travel case, and a USB charger, making it perfect for home or on-the-go use. Experience the power of unique sound technology that delivers powerful yet gentle cleaning, with brush vibrations that create microbubbles to reach deep into your interdental spaces. Imagine achieving the same results in just 2 minutes as you would in 2 months with a manual toothbrush, all while protecting your gums with a built-in pressure sensor that alerts you when you're applying too much pressure. Customize your brushing experience with 2 modes, clean or sensitive, to ensure gentle yet effective cleaning for your teeth and gums. Plus, the built-in 2-minute smart timer and 30-second quadrant timer guide you for a thorough clean every time. Elevate your oral hygiene routine with the Philips Sonicare 4100 and enjoy the confidence of a radiant smile. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.